Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Most mulled wine is served in a mug. Ceramic or porcelain mugs will help to protect your hands from the heat of the spiced wine, and the mug handle will make it much easier to drink. Glass mugs are another good option for serving mulled wine.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
If making from scratch, start by adding a couple of cloves, a cinnamon stick broken in half, 200 ml smooth orange juice, about 1 tablespoon of sugar and a dash, say, 50 ml, of brandy or red port for each bottle of wine. Stir, heat, taste and increase spices and/or sugar until right for you.
Take our lead.
Serve chilled or over ice, with a twist of orange zest and a star anise. If you'd like to serve a traditional warm mulled wine, there's no need to chill, simply warm through without boiling and serve in heat-proof glasses.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Unless you keep it boiling for a while, it won't lose much alcohol content. While pure ethanol does evaporate quickly at a relatively low temperature, the lower the alcohol content gets, the more slowly does more alcohol evaporate at that temperature. Mulled wine will typically have between 8 and 13% ABV.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Pour the mulled wine into a large preheated saucepan on a low heat. Stir occasionally for few minutes until warm to the touch. Do not overheat and never allow the wine to boil. However tempting it may be, do not microwave mulled wine, as the delicate spices can be overexcited and result in a rough, burnt-tasting wine.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.